everyone, welcome back to another episode of Web Tech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Canva on a computer. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to log into your Canva account, first open up a web browser of your choice. In the URL box, type in www.canva.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official site of Canva, which looks like this. To log into your account, go to the upper right hand corner and click the login button. You'll be able to see the login area on the next page. To log into your account, you can either choose Google, Facebook, or your email that you've registered with, but make sure to select the same option that you used while registering or signing up for Canva.com. In my case, I've signed up using my email, so let me click on Continue with Email. Now, enter your email address that is associated with your account in the text box and make sure to type in your information correct. Soon after you enter your email, click the Continue button. On the next page, type in your password in the text box. To double check your password, click the eye icon at the right corner. You can also log in with a code instead. Click on this little button beneath and you'll be able to log into your account with an email code. Once you type in your password, click the login button and soon after you hit login, you'll be able to log into your Canva.com account quick and easy without delay. That is how it can be done. Canva is a graphic design tool that works to simplify the process of digital designs. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.